Imagine Salesforce as a vast universe, filled with galaxies of data, planets of features, and stars of customization. Now picture functional testing as your trusty spaceship, meticulously exploring every corner of this universe. Your mission? To ensure everything works as expected, from the smallest meteor of a button to the largest black hole of a complex business process. Functional testing is like a cosmic audit. You're diving deep into how users interact with Salesforce, checking if features behave correctly and meet business needs. Think of it as taking your spaceship for a spin. You want to make sure the engines roar to life, the navigation system charts the right course, and the life support systems keep everything humming. In the world of software, a bug is a functional error, a kind of cosmic debris that can disrupt the smooth operation of your Salesforce universe. Functional testing is your shield against these bugs, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable user experience. By meticulously testing every feature and function, you're guaranteeing that Salesforce operates at peak performance, like a well-oiled spaceship ready to explore the vast unknown. Before you can embark on your testing voyage, you need a map of the terrain, your Salesforce business flows. These flows represent the journeys users take within Salesforce, from creating leads to closing deals, managing cases, and beyond. Think of business flows as interstellar highways that connect various points within your Salesforce universe. Each flow is a sequence of steps, a cosmic dance of actions and reactions, that users follow to accomplish specific tasks. To map these flows, start by identifying the key processes crucial to your business. Then, break down each process into individual steps, like charting the trajectory of a comet. For instance, a sales flow might involve creating a lead, qualifying it, converting it to an opportunity, and finally closing the deal. Understanding these flows is vital for effective testing. Just as you wouldn't launch a spaceship without plotting its course, you shouldn't test Salesforce without comprehending the paths users take. By grasping these flows, you can design tests that accurately reflect real-world usage and ensure a smooth user experience. Salesforce comes equipped with an array of standard features like pre-built planets ready for habitation. But the true power lies in its customization, the ability to mold and shape your Salesforce universe to fit your unique business needs. Testing standard features is like confirming the known laws of physics. You're verifying that these core components function as designed, providing a stable foundation for your customizations. This involves testing things like creating accounts, generating reports, and using the search functionality. Customizations, on the other hand, are your bespoke creations, the unique constellations you sculpt to meet specific requirements. Testing these customizations is crucial to ensure they integrate seamlessly with standard features and don't disrupt the delicate balance of your Salesforce universe. This involves testing custom fields, validation rules, workflows, and any other bespoke elements you've added. It's about ensuring these new additions don't create cosmic collisions with existing features and that they function harmoniously within your Salesforce ecosystem. Just as astronauts experience space differently from mission control, different Salesforce users interact with the platform based on their roles. Role-based testing involves putting yourself in the shoes of these users, experiencing Salesforce through their unique lenses. Each role has specific permissions and access rights, defining their universe within Salesforce. A sales manager, for instance, has different capabilities and needs compared to a support agent or a marketing specialist. Role-based testing ensures that each user group can effectively perform their tasks within their designated area of the Salesforce universe. It's about confirming that a sales representative can smoothly navigate the opportunity pipeline, a support agent can efficiently resolve cases, and a marketing manager can seamlessly create and track campaigns. By donning the hats of different user roles, you gain a comprehensive understanding of how Salesforce functions from various perspectives, uncovering potential issues, and ensuring a smooth experience for all users.